talk about cellular respiration. Imagine your body is a tiny city that needs energy, just what like real city needs electricity. And this energy came from the food you eat, specifically sugar, or called glucose. So what is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is a complex process that occurs in the mitochondria. It involves the breakdown of glucose to produce energy in the form of ATP. This process is essential for all living organisms. The process of cellular respiration can be divided into four main stages: glycolysis, pyruvate oxidation, citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. So let's go and talk about glycolysis. Glycolysis is the first stage of the cellular respiration. The glycolysis occurs in the cytosol of the cytoplasm of the cell. This process, the glucose is broken down into two pyruvate molecules. A small amount of ATP is produced, or 2 net ATP, and the 2 NADH molecules are also produced. The second stage of the cell respiration is the pyruvate oxidation. Pyruvate oxidation is transported into the mitochondria. Pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA, and 1 NADH molecule is produced per pyruvate molecule. The third stage of the cellular respiration is a citric acid cycle, or Krebs cycle. Citric acid cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. The acetyl-CoA enters the cycle and is oxidized. Carbon dioxide is released as a waste product, and ATP, NADH, and FADH are produced. And the final stage of the cellular respiration is the oxidative phosphorylation. The oxidative phosphorylation occurs in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The electrons from NADH and FADH2 are transferred through a series of protein complexes, or electron transport chain. This process pumps protons across the membrane, creating a protons gradient. Protons flow back through ATP synthase, producing ATP. Oxygen is the final electron acceptor, combining with two protons to form water. Here's the final diagram of the cellular respiration. As you can see, the final product of ATP is 32 ATP. So, why 32 ATP? The exact number of ATP molecules produced can vary, but it's typically around 32. This is because the efficiency of the process can be affected by factors like the cell type and the specific conditions. However, the general idea is that the energy stored in glucose is harnessed through these three stages to produce a significant amount of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which is then used to power various cellular activities. And that's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.